So today I'm going to be showing you 4 outfits that I did today. They're all Disney inspired. One of them is inspired by the movie Toy Story. The teacup from Beauty and the Beast. It's also a very casual outfit. The next one will be a Minnie Mouse one that you can wear for Disney parks. It's very cute. And the last one will be a Beauty and the Beast inspired by Belle for a date night. So everything I'll be using or wearing, I'm going to put it down below, and I'm also going to show you how I did this makeup, which is very casual and it actually fits with all the outfits. I'm going to put all the information down below, and I hope you guys like it. So here's the video. So I'm going to start off with my moisturizer. This one's from Cetaphil. It's for acne-prone skin. It has really helped me a lot for my acne. So I'm just putting that all over my face. And yeah. Now I'm putting a little bit of blue serum from Chanel on my eyes. Now I'm putting this coconut lip balm to moisturize my lips. Sorry, I sound really sick right now. Anyways, I'm using my, I forgot the name of it, Clinique Acne Solutions foundation. This is in the shade of 03, and I'm using my Tarte double-sided brush foundation. Now I'm using my Bare Minerals concealer under my eyes. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead, my chin, and a bit in my nose. I'm also going to put all of this down below with the exact name of the products that I'm using. So yes, right now I'm blending that all in with the other side of my Tarte foundation brush. Now I'm using this nude palette. I don't know the exact name of it right now, but I'm going to put it down below. And I'm using a Sephora brush. I think it's number 53. Let me confirm that in one sec. Anyways, I'm just using my highlighter from Gorlays. I can't even pronounce that name. Anyways, I put on my cheekbones, lips, the arc of my eyebrows. Is that how you say it? Anyways, I'm using my Sephora eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'm using an Anastasia dipbrow pomade for my eyebrows. I'm just filling that all in. Yep, I think I'm sick. I don't know. Anyways, now I'm using a little bit of hairspray for the brush side, so I'm setting in my eyebrows. Now I'm using a primer for my eyeshadows. Now I'll be using this MAC brush. It's, oh, I can't even look at the number because it's too tiny. It says $2.39 for MAC. And I'm using this like really pink glittery eyeshadow. Now I'm using like an orange kind of eyeshadow from Tarte from the Flirty palette. I'm using it on my inner corner. Inner corner, is that? I don't know, guys. I'm not really good at makeup. Explaining what I'm doing with my makeup anyways. Put it under my eyes, and I think it's the inner corner. No, that's not the inner corner. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, I'm using this like nude color for my eyelid, and that's all I'm gonna be using for that. I forgot to put blush earlier, so I'm using this. It's Blush Subtle. That's the name of it? I think it's like Lancome. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, now I'm using my MAC brown eyeliner, putting it all over my lash line. Yes. Now I'm using my Tarte eyelash curler. I'm curling those eyelashes so high. It's not even funny. Anyways, now I'm using this this Chanel, what's it called? I forgot the name of it. This MAC base mascara. It helps you to grow your eyelashes. That's my sister in the back. So I'm putting this Levolume, I think that's how pronounce it, Chanel mascara. And earlier I used my MAC lipstick. It's called Retro Matte Flat Out Fabulous. Now I'm using this E.L.F. Lashes. They're called Starstruck. Yes, so I'm putting that in, and yes, I'm loosening my hair a little bit because I put a headband when my hair was wet, so it looks kind of weird. Anyways, that's the makeup. So the first outfit is inspired by Belle from Beauty and the Beast. The dress that I'm using is a light blue to represent the dress that she wears at the beginning of the movie. I bought it at Forever 21. And I'm using this vest that I bought from Gap to represent the Beast. The shoes are like brownish with roses. I can show you a picture later on because I forgot to put them in the video, but anyways, that's the first outfit for a date night. The next outfit, it's inspired by Minnie, the ears. I bought from Disney, I think it was at Magic Kingdom. The jacket I got from Forever 21. It was on sale and it was $17, which is really awesome. The top I got from also Forever 21. The shorts I got from H&M. I made those myself, so if you want a video of how I made those, comment down below. The backpack that I'm wearing, it's from Dunny & Berkey. I bought it at Disney. I think it was Animal Kingdom. And it was kind of expensive, but totally worth it. So this is the outfit. Of course, a jacket because it gets cold at nights. And I think it's really cute. And yellow nails to match Minnie shoes. And Minnie shoes, I'm wearing these Minnie shoes that I got from Disney. This outfit, it's inspired by the teacup from Beauty and the Beast. The hat I bought at Hot Topic. The jacket I got from Forever 21, which is the same that I was wearing before. The white jeans I got from Old Navy, and the blouse, I can't say, I'm sorry, it was a gift, so I have no idea where that was from. So that's a really casual outfit. It doesn't look like teacup, but that's how I created the outfit, inspired by teacup. And these shoes are from Nike in pink because I love pink. Who doesn't? Anyways, this last outfit is inspired by Toy Story. I'm wearing this blouse that I got from Forever 21. It represents Galaxy, like those little aliens that are in the movie. And the jacket is inspired by the soldiers in the first movie. And it doesn't look like Toy Story at all, but I love it. And that's how I got the idea of this outfit, from Toy Story. The jacket I also got from Forever 21. The jeans are the jeans that I'm wearing before that I got from Old Navy. And it looks really cute put all together. The shoes are the same shoes that I was wearing before, Nike pink. So that was all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know if you guys know this, but this is actually my first video, so if you really liked it, put those thumbs up and subscribe to my videos because I'm gonna be posting so much. And also, if you like those shorts that I was wearing for the Minnie Mouse outfit, and if you want me to recreate them and show you how I made those, just comment down below, or anything, any questions that you have, comment them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.